Guys, it's Maymay and welcome to another Stamp Club reveal. This one is for the month of April and it is our regular club and I think it is so cute. I'm excited about this one. It's been a little while coming for us. We actually started designing this one when Charity was still with us, and so between Charity and Sylvia, this one got completed and I think you're going to love it. Now, what is Stamp Club? I'm so happy that you asked. We have two subscription services. We have a regular club, which is what you'll see today, which is really our original club. And then we have a scripture themed club, and that one ships closer to the middle of the month. Now, we create a new stamp set every month, so it is a new, never before released stamp set that comes to your door. We have special pricing for Stamp Club sets, and you, as a Stamp Club member, get 15% off most of your purchases. And when I say most, I mean like 99% of your purchases in the store, you get 15% off as being a club member. So if you'd like to sign up, it's a good time. I'll put the link in the description below. All right, you want to see this one? It's so stinking cute. Now, you know, May is just around the corner and you're going to have a bunch of people that are going to need graduation cards, but I did not want to make this only about graduation. I wanted to try and give us a stamp set that would do graduation and other cards so that we could mix it up in case you didn't have anybody to send to this year for graduation. But it will pop up. Somebody will graduate in your life. All right, you ready for this one? Look at this. This is One Smart Cookie. Look at this guy. Isn't he adorable? Here's your smart cookie up here in the corner. He's wearing his glasses because he's a smart cookie, not a regular cookie. You've got chocolate chips. There's one there, some minis, and then a medium chocolate chip, and then one in between down here. So you can put all kinds of chips around. But also, see these little eyes? This is a closed eye with some eyelashes, and this is a closed eye without eyelashes. Now, what I asked Sylvia to do was to keep these guys connected on the set so that when you stamped, they stamped in the glasses without you having to fidget and without you having to stamp one and the other and trying to get them all lined up nice and neat. This is going to do it for you, okay? You'll notice here you've got an arm, a leg, and a leg. So you can put his arms on whatever position you want. You can add his legs any way you want. Be sure to check out the sample page. Sylvia does a sample page on our product page on our website, and she does the cutest samples for you guys. Here's a smile. Here's a laugh. How about that? Isn't that cute? How about a diploma? We've got a stack of books, a mortar board, a hat, a graduation cap, and sentiments. You're one smart cookie right there. Chip off the old block. Congrats, and savor the sweet taste of success. So again, it was made so you can use it in multiple ways. It does not have to be for the graduate, but I think it's super cute. Now let me show you the samples that Miss Opal and Miss Geneva did. They are really cute too. Look at this one. This is a congratulations card, and you see her glasses that she did. So she fussy cut these glasses from the cookie's face, which is really cute. And then she put a little acetate in there. When you open it up, savor the sweet taste of success, and she added the diploma. Again, without the diploma, it's just a congratulations card for something that someone has done. I love that. Then look at this guy, and he's got the little popped up mortar board, and he's on a wiggle or a wobble. Isn't that cute? And look at him with his little expression. He's so cute. I love the chip for his nose. I wouldn't have thought of that. That's a cute little addition. And see him with all the tiny chocolate chips. And notice down here, she stamped the other chocolate chips across the bottom. And look, chip off the old block. How cute is that? Then we've got this guy, and look. Congratulations. This is the graduating, your graduating cookie. So check it out. She's got her little mortar board. She's got her little cookie with his little eyes facing up because he's sassy. He's pretty proud of himself. Little legs in whatever orientation she wanted, plus the diploma. And she's made her own background paper to match. Do you see that? This paper she stamped with the images and colored, and then look, tore it in half, put half here and half here. That's super cute. And then inside, she's got your one smart cookie. I love how these turned out. I think this is a super cute stamp set. I think you'll get a lot of use out of it. And imagine this, if you're a baker and you make cookies and you give them out at the holidays, wouldn't it be cute to have this little guy just to make a little tag for whatever you package your cookies or your sweets in? I think that'd be adorable. All right, you guys, that is our April Stamp of the Month set. If you make a card using this stamp set, head to our customer gallery at maymaymadeit.com, share your picture, and that enters you to win a $50 gift card, which we give away every month. And you might have been our winner from last month, so be sure to check the top line of the description of this video to see if you were the winner. Hey, thanks so much for being a part of our club. I hope you love this one as much as we do. And until next time, bye now.